Hello everyone, this is Hassan from HDFX and I would like to talk about US dollar Canadian dollar at the 4-hour chart. Now, I already did the elite wave count on this pair before and I already updated it last week I think. And this one is I would like to talk a little bit about the important levels for this pair. Okay, now to be able to do that you need a couple of fib levels. Okay, now the first one being starts from the fact that where this triangular formation ends and where this move ends, and when you draw a fib from here to here, if you know me by now, I usually draw the fib levels from the end of the moves. Okay, so in here this triangle ends here, breaks, retest, go down. So for me, this is the wave E of the triangle. So that means it finishes something here. In that case, most likely a wave B, okay? And if you did go back to the previous video, you will see that it ends something here, and then the market rolls over. Yes. So for me, the important levels are these ones: 618, 0.5, 0.2, 0.38. Now, if you see this, you will see that how well actually the market respected these levels already. Look, of course, this is a hindsight, but okay. Look, market comes 382, goes back to 618, stalls around 50, goes back 618, stalls around 50, goes back 382, stalls around there, goes back to 0.236, tries, doesn't make it, then it comes down. Okay, after this, of course, this. So what we are expecting is, of course, the market to do the same for the future as well. Look, market goes 0.26, get rejected, and almost tries again, rejects, goes up. Where's the first level? 0.382. Now, of course, look what does it. There's a triangular formation here. Okay, this was actually a good place to go short. Why? Because I'm sorry. Because we had this. Look, let's actually identify this. Why this was a good place to go short. Now look, I'm talking about here, yes? Let's add our text. Okay, I will write with you. So where we are at a fib level. Okay, this is also a structure level. We are making a triangle. Okay, that doesn't mean nothing, but of course, the triangle means that the market will go somewhere, either up to downside, but the market is making a reversal or continuation pattern in this case. Okay, it does. And the RSI, we are at overbought, and we have the RSI overbought, but we also have RSI divergence at the same time. Okay, so that means that something is about to happen. Okay, this was because of these reasons alone. This was a nice place to take a trade. And of course, the market comes, goes down, goes where first? 0.36, then comes back and makes a lower high, and makes a lower low, lower high. Then in here, look, the market starts to shift. Why? Because it fails to make new like lows. You can see that the market is losing this. Market losing this downside momentum. And now we have this new small trend line, and the market breaks this now. Okay, so maybe we will see a pullback to this trend line. Maybe we will not. We don't know yet. Okay, but if the market will stretch up, where are these levels? These four levels are the levels to watch. Okay, and use this with usually with your Elliot counts, which I already did on the other video, so I didn't do it again. But go and watch this video as well and try to make a plan for yourself. Okay, like, of course, this will be your own plan. Okay, don't just copy people's plans. Okay, just to see. Okay, just to try to make this plan and make it work inside your head. Now, the next thing, what's important here is, of course, this is the level. This is the structure. Okay, where this market shifted from the bullish to the bearish. Yes, and this is where this started, and this is where it ends. So we need a new fib, not from the absolute high to the absolute low, but from the where this wave starts and the wave ends. So somewhere like this. So when we look at this situation here, look again on the hindsight as well. Market goes down, goes to 0.382, stalls around 0.3, 0.23. Now the market doesn't respect this at all, but it goes to 0.382, almost makes it. Now we are here. Now, does this mean alone something? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But what I'm trying to find is, do I have any Fibonacci confluence areas? Okay, with the larger trend, the smaller trend. Okay, so for example, if you will have some type of a, if you'll take this as a high, if you will have a double top with the RSI divergence, we have the 50 level, and we have this 0.2 level, no? That may be a nice trade shorting opportunity for what? For this trend line. Maybe we will see it come back to here. If it doesn't go up, well, if it continues to go up without this, try to use the, I like to use the RSI, but you don't have to. You can try stochastic, you can use the MAs, you can use all of them together. It depends on the system that you create. Okay, so just don't take my word for it, or just don't take anyone's word for it, but try to play with the idea a little bit. Also, look at this. We have another structure level here as well. Okay, this is why I was actually talking about this possible double tap situation. Look, I changed the color and let me make it a little bit bigger for you. Look at this. One time, two time, three time, four time. Market breaks, comes back resistance. Okay, now comes back support. Now resistance. Now this. Look at, we have this zero here. This in the smaller time frame. If we have this like a double top, why not try to see what the market is doing here? Okay, so I hope this makes sense, guys. And again, this is not a financial advice. Please just don't go short here or look long here or something, okay? But try these ideas in your demo accounts and try to come up with your own trading strategy, okay? And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask. No problem. I will try to do my best, okay, to help you guys. So, thank you so much, and I would like to see you all on the next video. Thank you.